Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mekka. I come from Norway and I love makeup, and today I'm really excited because I'm doing a collab with some girls on Instagram actually for an Instagram video, and we're all doing a look with the Beaute Flair palette. And I loved this so much when I first got it, and I haven't used it in so long, so I'm really happy to be using it. So today I'm just going to show you how I do a look with this palette. It's obviously the one I'm wearing right now, and I'll of course leave a link to all of the girls that are participating in the Instagram collab down in my description box, and of course also to my Instagram post where I post the collab. So I want to thank Victoria from Make Victoria Up on Instagram for inviting me to this collab and for doing all the editing and everything for the Instagram video. So thank you so much for having me, and let's just go straight into this tutorial of the look that I'm wearing right now. I'll be completely transparent now and say that I started off with this shade already and then tried to pack this one on and then blend these ones toward the inner corner, but they were all just super sheer and I do not remember it acting like that, so I'm going to try with my Makeup Revolution concealer as a base instead and try to do the same thing. But I think I'll skip the brown and just go straight into using this one in the outer corner and then blend it into the shade Forest Pine, then Moss, and then use this one as sort of like the inner corner transition shade or something. So I'll just go ahead and use this one with my Kaleidos Makeup S3 brush. Although I'm not like super happy about the blending, especially like here, I'm just going to go ahead and start with some glitter glue on my whole lid, and yes, I did my liner already. I just wanted to try to do it before the shimmers because sometimes shimmers can make your liner a little bit more uneven, so I was like, let's just do the liner first. So now I'm just going to add this reddish berry shimmer to my outer lid, and then I'll use the shade Biscotti to blend with it. It's terrifying. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow? Now just taking Biscotti and adding that to the inner corner of the lid. And then I'm just lightly blending them together here in the middle. And now I'm just topping over the liner again because obviously I covered a little bit of it up with shadow. And especially in the outer corner, I'm just making sure I tap a little bit of that purple to make sure the edges are nice. And that's it for the top of my eyelid. And I'm just gonna do my other eye and then I'll be back for the lower lash line. For my lower lash line, I'm just going into the shade Hazelnut right here. It's like a rusty orange, and I'm just going to add that right here. And then I'm taking Cider, which is the yellow, and I'm just going to add that to the inner corner and then blend out the orange. I just added a tiny bit of my BH Cosmetics base booster underneath my eye, and I'm just tapping on the shade Firefly, which is the brighter orange shimmer, and I'm just tapping that right above or on top of the glitter glue right here. And now I'm just tapping on a little bit more of that orange that I used first, the shade Hazelnut, just to make sure there's a nice blend between the shimmer and the rest. All I'm missing now is mascara and inner corner highlight, so I'm actually going to use the glitter from Colourpop called Island Hopping as my inner corner. And these already have adhesive, so I'm just going to like place it right in there where I want it to be. That was the close-up of my look, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Obviously, I'm not super happy with the blending just because it's a little bit too sharp edges for me, especially like up here with the purple. I don't really know if it's because of the concealer base that I used, because I mean it didn't want to like stick at all when I used my NARS smudge proof eye primer, which was really weird. But I do like the look like in general, so I'm happy about that. I'm just like not that happy about the purple. So again, I just want to thank Victoria for inviting me to the collab, and again reminding you to go check it out. I'll leave all the links down in my description box. I guess that's it for this video though, so if you liked it I would really appreciate it if you hit the thumbs up button, and if you aren't already then subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content from me. I do a lot of tutorials, single shadows, custom palette, all that kind of good stuff, so I hope I will see you in my next one as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!